Ranbir Kapoor story, apparently that's a very interesting story.
Ranbir Kapoor hadn't started out his. He was about
He's
to.
not famous yet.
No, it hadn't happened only. Savarya was just very halka.
Which didn't do
halka
well.
baate.
Yeah.
But doesn't matter.
The towel
'cause it was
sold.
Ranbir
The
Kapoor,
towel
the
sold,
towel
yeah.
song, which by the way I think Salman Khan ka step tha wo. Anyway,
Oh, is it?
point being,
Let me talk to our Bollywood expert. From,
he stays behind my
Kerala.
house.
Yes, sir. Haan. Bolo.
So Ranbir Kapoor stays behind my house. Like he stays at Pali Hill. And so at that point, we knew that he stays there and all of that. We actually went to his place. We kidnapped him from his house because by that time, like we had spoken to him and told him who I. Matlab, it happened in that space only. This was the time like the Bollywood that is now. But I told Ranbir, and by the time radio is already big. He's been listening to me. So we said, before your film release, this was around Christmas. I said, would you like to be our Santa Claus? So we've kidnapped him, taken him. I think usi ki gaadi
Dressed him up.
No, we didn't dress him up. We just, because oral, matlab sunne ka medium hai na.
Haan.
So we took him and he was the...
Sorry.
He sat there and he was just like, ho, ho, ho. I don't know who he said that.
Which in Marathi makes sense, but otherwise in India, what is ho, ho, ho?
I know, but like he said ho, ho, ho. And he became Santa Claus and we had...
Like
gifts.
all his answers are ho, ho, ho. That'll be
No,
hilarious.
no. He knows
You
that.
pay GST. Ho, ho, ho. Good answer.
I think he knows his Marathi.
Haan.
So then he picks, we literally kidnapped him and kept him for hours.
And
We got him to do everything, like do our liners, do our promos, take photos. He wasn't yet a star. And that is, I think that golden moment now when they're just like these.
You exploited him at the right time is what you're trying to
Exactly
say.
what I
अब तो नहीं मिलेगा animal
नहीं
के बाद
क्यों नहीं
वो
मिलेगा
हाथ
एक बार
में नहीं
उसने-
आएगा अभी.
मेरी तो
First.
उसने मुझे गाड़ी नहीं very sweet guy.
But actually, when I was in Red FM, he was doing an interview with Virat Kohli's wife. Anushka.
It might be nice if you
And
know
I went
her
and said
name.
hello to them. And he was very nice to me. And he called me all kinds of nice words. And
Like,
he used
Don't
a
say-
big
don't
English
say
word which I
anything.
can't remember, which means like you're perennial.
okay.
One of those-
Perennial pain in the ass.
Yeah, one of those big words that you pick up somewhere. And then we hugged.
You're about hugging men, women, doesn't matter.
It was a long hug.
It wasn't.
There's the normal hug which you do, you meet people after a long
Were
time.
you wearing your t-shirt or did you?
I felt a pec squeeze. Like we both squeezed our pecs. As in each other's pecs, no. My peck, me, his peck, him.
Yeah, okay.
So that there was a moment.
There was like a
There was-
pecking
there-
order.
there was a
I got
moment.
it. Nice,
Oh, nice. Well played. Yeah.
Yeah.